Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, well actually Justin don't know yet, but he's been wanting some underglow lights on this here Duramax right here for a long time, so he could see his forces. So I went to the Walmart's up the street and picked up this custom underglow kit right here. It's got the color changing. It's LED, made by Holiday Time. These are not Christmas lights. They're
25,000 lumens.
Holy smokes. Look here. You can save 98% energy on this thing. Well, anyways, I just want to get these out of the box. Do an unboxing, show you guys. They come already put together. So all you gotta do is get a generator and put it in the back of your truck, and you turn that generator on, and then once that generator's running, you plug this thing in right here, and then you take your remote.
What kind of brand generator you think?
Hyundai? Harbor Freight.
Oh.
One of them Harbor Freight generators work fine, 2-stroke. Anyways, you got your dial right here, and it all kinds of colors on there, rainbow colors. Okay, so we're gonna get into the video, put these things on the truck, and we'll catch up with you when we're putting the install on these things. Alright, so we're gonna get started putting this custom underglow kit on the truck, but the first step to this here process is getting you a big old tall boy from the Tom and Thumb up the street, tall boy Dr. Pepper, and give it a good chug. God, that burns, but I'm gonna be drunk by the end of this video, but all right. Oh my God. I'm gonna throw up. Alright, so after you take a good long rip off your Dr. Pepper and recover from that smooth taste that they got going on there, 27 flavors, you get down there. So it's kind of hard to see, but this thing has the top of the line traction bars on here for racing through the mud pits. So we're gonna start right there. We're gonna start wrapping right there. We're gonna go all the way around the axle down in there, down the frame, and around the front CV axles. We're gonna wrap the CV axles, so when it spins, it like spins the lights and it looks good. So we're gonna do it, and then we'll show you the end result here in a minute. Alright, so I just finished putting the lights on the bottom of the truck. I'm taking a short break, drinking some Dr. Pepper. You know how it goes. But we're gonna have Justin turn the lights on and show you how it is in the shop, and then we'll pull it outside and show you. Alright, Justin, turn them on. Oh man, look at them things. Them jokers are clean, son. Oh man, look at they changed color. What happened?
Huh?
Why'd they turn off?
I want to take a drink of my Dr. Pepper. Alright, here we go.
Alright, turn back on.
Okay.
Oh man, dude, that thing is clean. Crank her up and pull her outside.
Okay. You gotta watch this cord though, I might rip it.
Don't worry about the cord.
I don't know, it's good.
We're gonna put a generator in the back. Don't worry about the cord. Are you drunk already?
Yeah.
Take another swig of that Dr. Pepper. do fine, huh? Go out there and look.
Yeah, that's alright. That's it. It looks so
It ain't hitting the truck, is it?
Huh? No. My foot's on that man.
Oh, shut the door real quick. Holy smokes. Boys, this setup right here is so clean.
$30.
Look at that. It's a little dark, but good lord, look at it. That's got the color change. Man, this thing flashes all kinds of different colors. Oh my gosh. Holy smokes. Justin.
Dude, I love it. I absolutely love it.
Alright, is that a good Christmas gift?
Dude, I love you. I love you. Dude, this is the greatest thing ever.
Go under there and change the colors up. Let's see what she's got.
Oh, hey, there's like this little knobby thing over here. This is the umbilical cord. This is the umbilical cord.
Yeah, it ain't even hard to do. All you gotta do,
you go right here.
Get under the truck,
Right
turn
there.
some knobs.
Hey, go to that one.
And then you go all white. You can go all colors.
Yeah, right there. Oh wait.
Damn.
Ooh, they're
Oh
almost synchronized.
man, look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. So custom.
I love it.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Alright. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. That's gonna do it for today. It's dark outside. We're about to ride her down the road and go see how many necks we can break with the Christmas lights underglow kit.
Oh yeah, from Walmart.
All right, so if you want to buy some, $30. Go up to your local Walmarts, buy you a Harbor Freight generator, and you're set. Cheapest light kit on the market. All right, hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one.